I'm feeling inspired from Italy, so I'm gonna make a caprese salad with these really good looking heirloom tomatoes. I don't know if this one's ripe yet, but we're gonna eat it anyway because I had some unripened tomatoes in Italy and they were still good. I have this mozzarella that we're gonna use too. Okay, let's see. For this one, we'll just cut like this. Nice green heirloom tomatoes. Put them on like that. This doesn't have to be pretty. Do it like this. Then for the mozz, cut it into chunks. A little kosher salt, a little bit of pepper. This is olive oil I got at the wedding when I was in Italy. Generous amount of olive oil. We'll get some oregano. Do I not have oregano? Shit. Just a little of this Italian seasoning, just a tiny bit. And then finish it off with flaky salt. Molto bene. Okay, let's try this. Let's try one of these yellow ones first. A little tomato. Oh yeah. Light, delicious. Ooh, I kind of like the yellow ones better than the red ones. Okay, well, excellent. I'm gonna go. Ciao.